Hi guys, I'm back in the workshop today. Just wanted to add a few parts to the bike. I've come across some fuel filters which I want to install on all of my bikes. These come from an Italian guy who's got good access to some very high-grade filtration material. Happens to be a keen biker, so he's realized the application for motorcycles, and particularly for adventure bikes when you're riding to places that have very bad fuel quality. I'm very keen to get these in the bike because I've had fuel issues before, and I think most people who've been to exotic parts of the world have fuel issues at one time or another. So this is the filter, and this is how easily it goes in. Job done. The way these filters work is that they're installed just inside the fuel cap and filter the fuel as you fill the bike up with fuel, making sure that anything that's in the tank and that anything that gets picked up by fuel pumps and the like is all clean and not going to damage fuel pumps or clog fuel filters further down the line. I've got a couple more of these filters for the two other tanks. There's 3 tanks altogether on the 690 Rally, so I need one of these filters for each of the tanks.